Hello friends, I am Ganesh Tengle. I have secured All India rank 614 this year. My optional is public administration. I will talk about public administration. There is a lot of people talking about the other optional, though their performance is comparatively good. But as far as public administration is concerned, very few people I have formulated the strategy. I will talk about this because my first attempt score in public administration was around 160, and this year I got 290 marks in public administration. Though it's not a good score considering the public administration performance this year, I believe it is a good score. And this 130 marks jump, I believe I have followed some strategy. Over the years I have formulated that strategy. The first most important part in public administration is the answer writing, because in public administration there is higher possibility that you will follow the general approach, particularly in public administration paper 2, because this year's paper any candidate with good approach will attempt all the questions, but core part is writing the specific answers, particularly in paper 2, and answer writing will give that edge. Second important part is notes making. Why notes making is important? Because in public administration, I believe revision is a key part, particularly in paper 1. What I have followed in public administration paper 1 is that I have made one page note on every thinker. For example, Max Weber. I have divided my page into two parts. In first parts, why Weber's theory has come into the existence. Second part, what is the theory all about? The characteristics of Max Weber. And third part, how it is relevant in the current era, particularly in the Indian administration. We can give the plenty of example, and it should be confined into the one page. I have formulated 20 plus pages for paper 1, which is very crucial for the revision, which is very crucial to revise before the exam days. I think it's a very important exercise, we should follow it. Third important part is interconnecting the concept of paper 1 into the paper 2 and vice versa. Though I think it's very easy to connect PubAd paper 1 to the PubAd paper 2, but vice versa I think it's a bit of difficult, because many people are complaining that they got very less mark in PubAd paper 2, but I believe that we should not write it as a GS paper 2. Our in general studies approach we should not follow in a public administration paper 2, which was followed by me in the first paper and got very less mark in first attempt. But this attempt I have collected the various concepts from the paper 1 which are very useful in the paper 2. For example, this year there was one question on the lateral entry into the civil services. So many people have wrote down all the concept from the various current affairs, but I have added one extra point, that is about the Max Weber. Max Weber also talk about the specialization in his the characteristics of the bureaucracy, where the lateral entry also talk about the specialization. I think these some added point will give you edge, and it will fetch the extra 1 marks in every questions. I think this exercise is very important, and it will not come spontaneously. We have to practice every day so that you can use into the example. And the fourth point I believe is we have to write some good test series. If it is possible, join any good test series. I have joined Pawan Kumar's test series and I have found it is very useful. And there are many online test series also available. So if you are preparing from your hometown or like that, you can join online test series, or you can write on your own. But we have to remember that we have to give the test series very seriously. We have to give the 100% to the test series so that you can evaluate your performance. We should write down all the mistakes in the test series, and we should compare our marks with the topper's mark. And so that we can find out what are the mistakes I have done in the test series and we should rectify in the next test. I think and the self analysis is very important for the public administration, and it should follow in the test series only. Because of that, I will strongly recommend you should join any test series or you should write on your own. But the basic principle should be we should rectify your mistakes. I will now talk about my book list. I think in PubAd there is a Taylor talk about the one best solution. I think for the book list there is no one best solution. We can follow your own ways, or there are plenty of books are available. But the key part is to keep your book list very minimum, because I strongly believe that revision is a basic fundamental priority. Should be revise it by like 10 to 12 times. And the book list for the paper one, we should follow any good basic book. We should follow your own coaching notes that is are available online or offline. Very good coaching notes are very good, so that it will cover all the syllabus point. Second, there is good book of Prasad on thinker part. We should read it down. We should collect all the keywords from that book so that you can use into your answer, so that you will enrich your answer. Third, I think one best book is Mohit Bhattacharya's New Horizons, that is new book. I think it's very useful. As far as me concerned, in first attempt I was not able to understand all the concept from the Mohit Bhattacharya, but in this attempt, after commanding over the basic fundamental concept, you will see the utilization of that book, and it is very important book. I believe you should read it from the first chapter to the last chapter, though you should connect with the syllabus point. And for the paper 2, I think it's very dynamic, and there are very few books which will cover the syllabus of this book. Though I think Rajni Goyal is a good book which will cover some part of the paper 2, but you should refer to the class notes. We should and the most important part, I believe that we should collect all the case studies, all the examples, all the best practices which are available on the Niti Aayog sites, which are available on the state government side. I think it's very useful to use into the your final answer, and this exercise you should do every day, so that you will put into the your answer sheet. And important part is the ARC report. I think everybody who was preparing as a PubAd optional will suggest we should read ARC report. But I believe there is another point how to read the ARC report. In ARC report, though there are I think more than 12 ARC reports are available, but some of are very important. For example, financial administration, local self-government, then ethics, the fourth one. That is very important. For other parts, you have to just read all the recommendation, but main basic part we have to use it into the answer. So while reading the answers, you should remember that why I am reading this particular ARC, so that you will be used into the main answer sheet. And for newspaper are also important. There are various government schemes which will useful in the rural development. There is one chapter on the rural development, urban development, administrative reforms, like latest reform in the administration, lateral entry. So these are the some of the current developments they are asking from the, if you analyze the current trend in the 2016 or 15, they are asking the current affairs. You should read all the newspaper. Particularly I found the Indian Express, some of the articles are very brilliant, so you can put some of the figures, some of the facts, and some of the case studies directly into your answers. And another key part is that we should keep the one is most important, the syllabus. Second one important is your question paper booklet. The section wise is available into the market, and you should revise it again and again, so that we will very much connected with the core syllabus. And for public administration, I think key is to write into the right approach, keep it very simple, write it very simple, and application of your knowledge is very important. That is what they are demanding, I think. And if you analyze the concept, if you apply your knowledge, if you connect the paper 1 to the paper 2, I think getting into the 280 plus is not a tough task. That is what I analyzed in these 2-3 years. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below. If you like the videos, if you want more videos, please watch Daily Knowledge Track.